These are the sounds the animals make. These are the sounds they make. A cat goes. A dog goes. An elephant goes. A cow goes. A horse goes. A monkey goes. A lion goes. A tiger goes. A bear goes. A donkey goes. A wolf goes. A duck goes. A rooster goes. A bird goes. A snake goes. Nice of the sounds the animals make. Nice of the sounds they make.
Hey guys, it's me, Demi. I just want to thank you so much for all the support that you guys have given me over the past week with Skyscraper. So to show my appreciation, I'm actually going to be having a live chat today at 5 p.m. Pacific time, and I'll be answering all of your questions on Cameo. So if you have any questions, just hashtag the end of it with Ask Demi.